All right, how are you all doing today? Nice. Welcome to the Color Your Mind Festival. This is the first time we're doing this festival, and it's a real pleasure to present this for you all. The first set was my project called the Jupiter Project, which had a pretty experimental and out there kind of approach to Indian music. And when we programmed this festival, we wanted to represent not just contemporary approaches to Indian classical music, but also some of the traditional approaches, and how some of those traditional approaches break out of some of the traditional boundaries as well. So I wanted to invite a dear friend, a phenomenal vocalist, and someone who I've recently gotten to appreciate even more and more. And I'll let her introduce her ensemble to you all. But would you please give a warm, warm welcome to Rupa Mahadevan.
Okay. I think the idea of warming up on stage has given new meaning today. Okay. Thank you all so much for being here today. I hope you have something warm. If not, we have some extra blankets over here. I thought it would be weird to wear an orange blanket while doing Carnatic music, but you never know. If it gets cold, that's might be where we're going. Thank you all for being here. Who here has been to a Carnatic music performance before? Okay, Bay Area, not bad. Okay, good. So Carnatic music comes from the southern part of India. It's the art music or classical form, but many diverse influences make up the version of Carnatic music that we perform today. All of us here are, maybe with the exception of Ani, are diasporic South Asian Americans. And so for us, we feel very privileged and lucky to have inherited the Carnatic tradition. It's very important to us. It defines us in so many ways. Yes, and we also want to see where we can take the form and see how we can connect with it more authentically through our American selves as well, interacting with the other musics that occupy our lives here, as well as the other issues and themes that we think about as Americans. So today you're going to hear a traditional Carnatic set, as well as some pieces, some excerpts from other projects that we're involved in. I'm going to introduce the ensemble today. On my left is Shruti Sarathi, amazing violinist and vocalist and composer. On the mridangam and ghattam, I think you're only hearing two of his many talents today, but Rohan Krishnamurthy. On the ganjira and flute, Anirudh Bharadwaj. And on the vocal percussion, or konakol, she's also a composer, Maya Rao Murthy. So Carnatic music is a combination of both composed material as well as improvised material. And as you know, I think it's based on the raga system. Ragas are at a very bare bones level, just scales, but much, much more than that. They're essentially people. They have spirits and they have personalities, and you spend your whole life as a classical musician getting to know these ragas and expressing them in your own way, inheriting what the masters before you have done with them, and then carrying that on into the future. So you're going to hear many ragas today. We're going to start with Suddha Danyasi, which, if you listen carefully, may sound a little bit like the blues scale that you're maybe more familiar with. So we begin with a Varnam by Harikesha Muttaya Bhagavatar in the beautiful raga Suddha Danyasi. And please tap along with us. It'll help you warm up too. But this is not the opera. You can move around. You can shake your head, move your body, flow with us. na na re na na need more violin on the monitor. Na 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 Shri Rajama Talgi Chamurdeshwari Shri Rajama Talgi Chamurdeshwari Narayani Rakshu ga ma pa ni sa ga ga ni ga ma ga sa ni sa ga ma ni ma ye ga ga ye pa ni ma ba ba ma pa ma ga ma ga sa ga ma pa ni sa ba ni ma pa ga ma ambi ke ma ye ni pa ni ma ba ni ga ma ba ni pa sa ni pa ma ba ga ga ni pa ni pa ma ga ma ga sa ni pa ma ga ga ma pa ni sa ga ni sa ba ni ma ba ga ma pa ni sa ga sa ni pa ma ambi ke ma ye hari ke sha ga ye ambi ke Can you guys hear us okay? Everyone is heard. Okay, great. Can I get just a bit of mridangam in this monitor? Tiny bit. The drums in this. That was a beautiful composition of M.D. Ramanathan. You might have heard of him as a singer, but he was also a composer. It's in the Raga Ranjani, and it was in praise of the goddess. Next, we will do a number that I think is very popular. People seem to love this song, and it's a beautiful ragam, the ragam called Saramati. And this is a composition of one of the greatest composers in our tradition, Saint Tyagaraja. Hope you enjoy. So Mokshamu Galada, the composer asks, how will I attain my ultimate surrender, salvation? I know one way, which is through music, through the beauty of music and the power that music has to transport us, to transform us. Is that enough to attain your moksha? Mokshamu Galada, Mokshamu Galada, Mokshamu Galada, Uvino Jiva, Mokshamu Galada, Uvino Jiva. holding up. So it's traditional in our music to put tala along with the artists. So I would urge you to try. Okay, the next piece is going to be in a cycle of eight beats. So tap, finger, 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 tap, turn, tap, turn. Okay, let's do it again. Tap, finger, 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 tap, turn, tap, and turn. Okay, on your own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Got it? Okay, cool. If I go like this, that means stop. No. No ಅಪರಾಧ ಮೂಲ ನೀಯು ಮರಳಿ ಅಪರಾಧ ಮೂಲ ನೀಯು ಮರಳಿ ಅಪರಾಧ ಮೂಲ ನೀಯು ಮರಳಿ ಅದರ ವಂಶು ಮೈಯನೆ చేసిన ಅಪರಾಧ ಮೂಲ ನೀಯು ಮರಳಿ ಅದರ ವಂಶು ಮೈಯನೆ చేసిన ಅಪರಾಧ ಮೂಲ ನೀಯು ಮರಳಿ ಅದರ ವಂಶು ಮೈಯನೆ చేసిన ಅಪರಾಧ ಮೂಲ కృపచేసిన మన వ్యాలకించి కృపచేసిన మన వ్యాలకించి కృపచేసిన మన వ్యాలకించి కృపచేసిన మన వ్యాలకించి కృపచేసి మన వ్యాలకించి శ్రీకైట చూడ సమయమీదే శ్రీకైట చూడ సమయమీదే చూడ సమయమీదే శ్రీకైట చూడ సమయమీదే శ్రీకైట చూడ సమయమీదే శ్రీకైట చూడ సమయమీదే అపరాధ మురళియు మరచి అదరోషు తేజసిన అపరాధ విఘ్నను బ్రోమణియదొనను ఎడుకొల్టినయ్య వెంకటేశ నీవు విడును బ్రోమణియదొనను వెడుకొల్టినయ్య వెంకటేశ నీవు వెంకటను బ్రోమణియదొనను వెడుకొల్టినయ్య వెంకటేశ నీవు వెంకటను బ్రోమణియదొనను వెడుకొల్టినయ్య వెంకటేశ నీవు వెంకటను బ్రోమ Jamu Vale.
धिक्किट तक झनु तकिट तक तद्धिक्किट तुम तांग ताम ताम धी तक धिक्किट तक झनु तकिट तक तद्धिक्किट तुम तांग ताम ताम धी कुकु धिक्किट तक झनु तकिट तक तद्धिक्किट तुम तांग ताम ताम धी तरगड़ धिक्किट तक झनु तकिट तक तद्धिक्किट तुम तांग ताम ताम धी दिक्किट तक जन तकिट तक तद्दिक्किट तुम तांग ताम ताम दी तक दिक्किट तक जन तकिट तक तद्दिक्किट तुम तांग ताम ताम दी तरगड़ दिक्किट तक जन तकिट तक तद्दिक्किट तुम तांग ताम ताम दी कुकु दिक्किट तक जन तकिट तक तद्दिक्किट तुम तांग ताम ताम दी दिक्किट तक जन तकिट तक तद्दिक्किट तांग ताम ताम दी तक दिक्किट तक जन तकिट तक तद्दिक्किट तांग ताम ताम दी तरगड़ दिक्किट तक जन तकिट तक तद्दिक्किट तांग ताम ताम दी कुकु दिक्किट तक जन तकिट तक तद्दिक्किट तांग ताम ताम दी तद्दिक्किट तांग ताम ताम दी तद्दिक्किट தாங்கதாந்தி ததிக்கிடு நாங்கதாந்தி ததிக்கிடு தாங்கதாந்தி ததிக்கிடு தாங்கதாந்தி ததிக்கிடு தகதாங்கதாந்தி ததிக்கிடு தாங்கதாந்தி ததிக்கிடு தகதாங்கதாந்தி ததிக்கிடு தகதாங்கதாந்தி தகிஷன தகிடு தாங்கதாந்தி ததிக்கிடு தகதாங்கதாந்தி தகிஷன தகிடு தாங்கதாந்தி ததிக்கிடு தகதாங்கதாந்தி தகிஷன தகிடு தாங்கதாந்தி ததிக்கிடு தாங்க ததிக்கிடு ததிக்கிடு தாங்க தாங்க ததிக்கிடு 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 தாங்க தாங்க ததிக்கிட்ட தா ததிக்கிட்ட ததிக்கிட்ட தா தகனக ததிக்கிட்ட தகனக ததிக்கிட்ட தகனக ததிக்கிட்ட ததிக்கிடு தாங்க ததிக்கிடு ததிக்கிடு தாங்க தாங்க ததிக்கிடு 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 தாங்க 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 ததிக்கிட்ட தா ததிக்கிட்ட ததிக்கிட்ட தா தகனக ததிக்கிட்ட தகனக ததிக்கிட்ட தகனக ததிக்கிட்ட ததிக்கிடு தாங்க ததிக்கிடு ததிக்கிடு தாங்க தாங்க ததிக்கிடு 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 தாங்க 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 ததிக்கிட்ட தா ததிக்கிட்ட ததிக்கிட்ட தா தகனக ததிக்கிட்ட தகனக ததிக்கிட்ட தகனக ததிக்கிட்ட தா கிட்டத்தட்ட தக்கிட்டதுன்னா தக்கிட்டதும் 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 Kukuchun, tachanu jing jing, takachanu kukuchun, tachanu jing jing, kukuchun, tachanu jing jing, takachanu kukuchun. Tatanga chakana takadantanga kukuchun, tachanu jing jing, takachanu kukuchun, kukuchun, tachanu jing jing, kukuchun, tachanu jing jing, takachanu, tarikita takadum, tarikita takadum, tarikita takadum. din ta din ta. Taka din ta din ta. Din din ta din ta. Ah, targidum ta. Targidum ta. Ah, targidum ta. Takidum ta. Ah, takidum ta. Ah, targidum ta targidum ta. Targidum ta. Ah, targidum ta. Targidum ta. Ah, targidum ta. Targidum. Targidum. Tati kita tum ta tum, 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 tati kita tum ta tum. Taka ta din taka, taka ta din taka, kita kita din taka, tati kita ta.
We need to hear more Konakol in concerts. We're bringing it back. Anirudh Bharadwaj on the Ganjira and Rohan Krishnamurthy on the Mridangam.
Let's give it a. Oh, this is Shruti Sarathi on violin, everybody.
Shruti Sarathi on violin. Thank you all so much. And,
Rupa Mahadevan, give it up one more time, y'all.
woo! Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please come and talk to us afterwards. We have merch, but just come talk to me instead. I didn't plan in time to put the merch out there. So just talk to me. Would love to meet you. Once again, Myra Murthy, Anirudh Bharadwaj, Rohan Krishnamurthy, Shruti Sarathi, and Rupa Mahadevan. Big ups to Samir Rootstock Arts for putting this whole thing together. It's really great to do this kind of music outdoors, and I hope we brought the sun. I think we brought the sun, I'm not sure. Huge thanks to Marcelo and the Yerba Buena Gardens team for having us as well. And we'll join you in a bit to listen to the great Alam Khan. Thank you.
Thank you again, Rupa. Let's give it up one more time for these amazing musicians. So yeah, you did bring the sun, Rupa, and the Color Your Mind Festival has doubled in numbers. This is amazing. I couldn't be happier with the results of our first time doing this festival. I want to give a big thank you to Yerba Buena Gardens Festival for hosting us. I want to direct your attention, after a couple of announcements, we're going to start another pop-up set over there where the Ohlone Reflection Garden is. And it's going to feature a dancer, Carrie Jennings, violinist Lucien Balmer, and a cajon player named Andy Mellinger. So definitely check them out. Just head over there. It's acoustic, so you have to get kind of close, but it's very, very worth it. And I wanted to encourage everyone to support our vendors back there. Henna Styles is doing live henna tattooing, painting. They have 4 or 5 artists back there, so like you could rush them and they will be able to handle you. Right next to them, there's an art gallery that we've done here, which is featuring 4 local artists who've been picked out of a selection of over 30. And all of the things that you would buy from them, all that money goes straight to them, 100% to artists. And that's a big part of the Rootstock mission, is to create artist-forward systems, to revisit things that maybe aren't really built in ways that favor artists. So it's an artist-forward mission, and we really are excited to present that as a reflection. And next to them, we have Because of Black Music I Am, which is an amazing organization that I've become very fond of. I actually am wearing their t-shirt, so I'm going to show this off real quick. And you should go back there and get your own t-shirt. And next to them, we have Medicine for Nightmares, which is one of my favorite bookstores in San Francisco in the Mission. They've come out here with an amazing selection of kids' books. And I know you all have some kids somewhere in your lives, and so pick up a book for them. And I want to hand it over to Preston over here from Yerba Buena Gardens Festival. He's going to tell you a little bit about YBG Fest and the ways that you can support them. So here's Preston.
Yes, but before I do, and Samir don't run off, can we give a big round of applause, please, for Samir Gupta? Incredible work curating today, and it's just such a special thing to have you back in the Bay Area beyond the amazing music that you bring. It's felt this unifying force and these efforts that you're making to bring us all together and to celebrate the good things in life. One more time, give a big round of applause. Rootstock Arts. And as they're still in the area, how are we feeling after that last presentation, folks? We got the musicians on stage. Can you give them a big round of applause? Giving thanks to the practitioners that have carried this beautiful tradition forward, allowing us to enjoy it today. And as Samir just mentioned, we are far from over. This is an expansive day here at the Yerba Buena Gardens Festival. So as we make our way over to the Reflection Pond to enjoy another wonderful presentation of this Northern Indian classical dance, I just want to encourage everybody to please support the Yerba Buena Gardens Festival. Can I ask real quick, how many of you folks have never been to the Yerba Buena Gardens Festival before? Anybody in the space? Well, thank you for being here. Thank you for everybody who has. As you know, we put on free concerts and all sorts of amazing cultural programming for the people of San Francisco and the Bay Area, and we really do it for you. We delight in seeing the vendors and all the other community members who have come to support today. And it's important that we have such spaces and we work really hard to make it possible. So as Samir mentioned, we got folks moving around with donation buckets. If you're able to make a donation, it really, really helps us to continue to do this work. You can also help us by taking a moment to fill out our survey. Folks have the clipboards. It's painless, takes about 2 minutes and you're done. And then almost the most important thing that you could do is to connect with us. Grab our season calendar, check us out online, YBG Festival for the socials and ybgfestival.org. And really, for the good of your life, I tell you folks, this August at the Yerba Buena Gardens Festival is going to be really, really amazing. We got so many great programs. Anna Tijoux will be on our stage next Saturday. Really excited to see McLeet's Movement Orchestra at the end of the month. And a lot of great shows in between. So thank you again for being here. I hope that the good music is touching you in a special way. It's touching me. And one more time, give a big round of applause for all of the artists that touched the stage today.